What can you tell us this morning?
Kayla, this house is here on Park Street in North Toledo. The address is 15 Park Street. As you can see, the house here behind us, flames are out. There are a lot of fire crews still here on scene and heavy smoke coming out of that house. What I was told by fire is the call came in around 4:20 a.m. this morning. As you can see, they're still trying to get rid of that debris that's still smoking. I know that the house next door, the fire extended onto that home, so they were gutting the house out and taking out furniture and belongings. Now, fire tells me that there was no reports of anybody being here. However, they're not sure if it was occupied. So they are searching all of the debris, but they cannot confirm whether someone was in the house or not. I know that after speaking to neighbors, they said that there was a loud boom, but fire is not saying anything of an explosion or anything like that yet. They don't know what caused it, but we do know that the first call came around 4:20 this morning. They are assuming that it was occupied, so they are treating it that way, and they are searching through that debris. But as of now, we know that they're saying no one was in the house, but it could have been occupied. So they are still looking, and once again, that fire continued to that house next door, and you can see all that heavy smoke still happening. It's here on East Park Street in North Toledo. I'm going to be talking to some more firefighters and trying to get more information. You can always check back on our website, NBC24.com. But we'll see you here in about the next 15 minutes and try to get more information for you as soon as we can. Reporting live for NBC24 News, I'm Elise Chingari. Back to you, Kayla.